No, good morning. This is Jamie at Inspire Coffee Roasting Company. This morning I'm going to look at two types of grinders for you and help you make a decision on which type is for you and yeah, just sort of how they work and give you a bit of info. All right, so on the left here we have a blade grinder. Now a blade grinder is just that. It has a blade inside of it. So you put the coffee in, put the lid on, it's got a safety mechanism so you won't chop your finger off, and then you press the button. The other type of grinder is called a burr grinder. Now this one has settings on it so that you can vary the grind from a fine to a coarse. So a fine grind you use for espresso, medium for a drip coffee maker, and a coarse grind for a French press. And obviously we'd like you to use our Inspire coffee. And so first of all, we'll run through the blade grinder. So here it is. There we go. Beans are in. Now it's hard to get a consistent grind with a blade grinder, but it does the job for a drip coffee maker. So I'm going to press the button. And there we go. I usually give it a couple of starts and stops so that you know that the beans are in the bottom. Everything's ground up. There you go, there's your coffee when you're done. Alright, so then you dump that into whatever coffee maker you're going to use. Now the burr grinder. Burr grinder is a step up. It's you get a more consistent grind with the burr grinder. And this one's sort of cool because it has the different settings, plus it has a bin out front that your coffee is ground into. Also on the top, this one has different settings for the amount that you want to do, and it's automatic, so 4, 6, 8 cups. So anyhow, easy to use. Take the lid off, fill up your hopper. The hopper holds, this one holds about a half a pound of coffee. I won't fill it up, but you get the idea. Put the lid on it. Okay, so I've set it to, I'll set it just to 4 so that it doesn't run on for very long. It's got a button to push. And there you go. Pretty cool. There's your coffee, all ready to use. All right, so I hope you found this informative, and our next video is going to be on a couple of different types of coffee makers. As you can see, we have our espresso machine here on the counter and a drip coffee maker, and I've also found something really cool lately. It is called an AeroPress, so I'll give a demonstration of that. All right, well, thank you for watching, and have a good day.